said, save a lollipop, suck a dick. She said, oh, new motto for life, ma'am.
But Paige said the doctor asked her if she was
She said, are you sexually active? The lady lifts her head up. Hell no. I wouldn't even know what that would be like. I wouldn't know what that would feel like because my husband's been dead for 15 years and it was 10 years before.
Damn.
I was like, she said, could you just fix my vagina?
Fix my
Sure, we're
vagina.
going to put a pill up in there.
Oh, God.
That'll get rid of the yeast. And then there's this thing called a pessary. And they come in this big of a size or this big.
What the fuck is that do? A
It's where your
plug?
innards, more or less. It's when your innards as a female come out after having babies or you've just been pounded too much.
Yeah.
So your cervix and your bladder and everything starts coming and literally falls
Falls
out.
out, yeah. Okay. I'm eating pie now.
Like my rectum.
Frank,
God damn it. Everything I always fall out of y'all. Goddamn brain would fall out. Lay over there and die, motherfucker. That's what I'm talking about.
Mine is protected.
Hey, it is.
Lamar, women go.
That's alright. I got on my face, but now.
My buddy got a wife, and she been pissing him off.
Are you looking at my cleavage, you pervert? Family,
No.
family.
I kind of want to look at your cleavage. Crazy bitch.
Really? They will. They're funny.